बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, आप यूट्यूब चैनल देख रहे हैं। मैं मोहम्मद जुनैद शफ़क़त, प्रिंसिपल द स्किल्स शॉर्ट हैंड एंड कंप्यूटर कॉलेज हरबंसपुरा लाहौर। ये वीडियो न्यूज़पेपर पैराग्राफ नंबर 5 से 70 वर्ड पर मिनट पे लिखवाई जाएगी। 3, 2, 1 डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट। Islamabad: the Supreme Court will take up next Monday a petition seeking a declaration that the general elections held on February 8 are null and void due to alleged flagrant violations of democratic norms and electoral integrity. Full stop. Headed by Chief Justice of Pakistan (CJP) Qadi Faiz Issa, a 3-judge bench, comprising Justice Muhammad Ali Madhar and Justice Musarrat Hilali, will hear Ali Khan's petition, pleading for a stay on the formation of the new government based on contested election results, pending the adjudication of this petition by the Supreme Court. Full stop. The petition also pleaded before the court to order the immediate holding of fresh elections within 30 days, under the direct supervision and oversight of the judiciary, to ensure fairness, transparency and accountability in the electoral process. Full stop. The petition pleaded that the court should order initiation of a thorough and impartial investigation into the acts of alleged pre-poll rigging, election fraud, and misconducts, holding accountable those responsible for undermining the democratic foundations of the nation. Full stop. Paragraph. The petitioner placed his utmost trust and confidence in the esteemed judiciary and implored upon the top court to uphold the principles of justice, equality, and democracy enshrined in the Constitution, to redress the grievances of the Pakistani populace aggrieved by the subversion of their democratic rights. Full stop. The petition argued that the February 8 general elections were allegedly marred by gross violations of democratic principles, including the denial of a level playing field to all political parties, particularly the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI). Full stop. The imprisonment of Imran Khan, the founder, chairman, and the most popular political leader of the nation, on fabricated charges, and the subsequent deprivation of PTI's electoral symbol severely undermined the democratic process, the petition feared, adding that the run up to the elections witnessed widespread pre-poll rigging, with PTI candidates facing numerous obstacles and restrictions in their campaign efforts. Full stop. The ban on rallies and public gatherings for PTI, along with the prohibition on campaigning and voter persuasion, deprived the party of its fundamental right to engage with the electorate and present its vision and policies, regretted the petition. Full stop. Paragraph. On the elections day, despite significant turnout of voters in support of PTI, the announcement of polling results was unnecessarily delayed by returning officers, raising serious concerns about the integrity and transparency of the electoral process, the petition argued. Full stop. The subsequent revelation of widespread rigging and manipulation, resulting in the fraudulent defeat of numerous PTI candidates, further undermines the credibility of the election outcomes. Full stop. The petition pleaded that the consolidation of power by political entities with a history of alleged misgovernance, corruption, and incompetence poses a grave threat to democratic governance and national stability. Full stop. Allowing the perpetrators of electoral malpractice to ascend to positions of authority not only undermines the will of the people but also jeopardizes the future of Pakistan as a functioning democracy, the petition said. Full stop. Stop writing. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें और शेयर करें और कमेंट भी लाजमी कीजिएगा। शुक्रिया।